Working on a 2010 Ford Mustang V6. Here's the Clockspring and the parts numbers right there. So I took out all the cover, the bottom cover and the top cover. There's a 8mm bolt right here on this side and the other side too. The airbag should come right out. 2 connectors, and the bolt is 24mm. I marked the bolt, so you know you don't have to mark it, but I just mark it so when I put it back, I don't want to over tighten it too much. So here's the old one. You can see the pin on this side is broken. The steering wheel was making noise, and here's the new one. The reason why they have this thing is it's already centered for your steering wheel. Don't take it out until you actually install it. And for you to put the clock spring in, you gotta take out this switch right here on the side. There's 2 bolts. Line it up, get them in like that. Now for you to pull it out, pull this thing out, you're gonna press the middle one down and then pull it out. Make sure you put the connector, the switch on the side in too. Have the steering wheel aligned with the 2 pin right here on this side too. And for the bolts, make sure you reconnect the clock spring connector. Sorry, I got it backward. I took this out before the steering wheel was installed, but make sure you install the steering wheel first and then pull it out. But for some reason, if you took it out before the steering wheel was in, it's okay too, as long as you don't mess with the clock spring. Airbag, gray connector to the gray, black one to the black one. After you're done, don't forget the 2 8mm bolts on the side. I got all the bottom cover in. Turn on the car just to check.